Are you having difficulty getting your offer accepted on a house that you love? Let me give you some tips to help your offer stand out. When your agent has submitted the offer, call your mortgage broker and ask them to follow up with the selling agent to provide details of your qualifications. Ask your mortgage broker to submit a copy of your approval letter directly to the selling agent, or just make sure that your approval letter accompanies your offer. Some mortgage brokers have programs that fully underwrites borrowers prior to their ever making their first offer on a home, fully approves them. All that's left then is the contract and ordering an appraisal and the title work. These tips will make you a much more attractive buyer to the seller. And this is Rick Miller. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Stay in touch. Happy house hunting. And good luck with the sale. And until next time, see you then.